Hi, I'm Amy Matthews, and for years I have helped homeowners renovate their homes on television. But now I want to take you inside one of my own projects. I bought this 1977 Rustic Rambler in the woods on the bluffs of a beautiful river, and it was ugly. So I renovated it from top to bottom in a modern rustic style, and that was to suit the house and also its surroundings. But I want to take you inside room by room and show you how you can incorporate this style into your space no matter where you live. This week, we'll cover the master suite. Everyone wants an amazingly comfortable master suite, but we usually put our design focus on the living room and kitchen. Well, we spend a third of our life in our bedroom, so why not make that space look incredible? When I took on the renovation of this entire house, the master bedroom was the biggest challenge. It was absolutely confused. There was no wall for a bed. There was no closet. There was the weirdest fireplace in the corner that was not functional. And there was the tiniest bathroom with the grossest tile and a huge Japanese soaking tub sitting in the middle of the floor. I knew it was going to be a tough one. There were only two redeeming qualities about the master bedroom: huge windows and high ceilings with a beautiful beam running through the room. How do you create space in a room without adding on? Well, you divide it up without closing it off. The master bedroom desperately needed a closet. So instead of putting up a full wall and a walk-in closet in one corner, I decided to build a partition wall that not only gave the closet some light and it kept the ceiling really open, but it also ended up being the headboard for the master bed. And I happen to need a wall for the bed anyway. When you're reconfiguring a space, a good idea is to stop as you're renovating and walk around that space to make sure that once you get those walls up, they're in the right place. If you ever have paneling that you need to cover up, literally a coat of white paint can change your world. And to me, white in the bedroom sets the stage for a very peaceful, serene room. When I sanded down the old, dingy, dark flooring, I found a beautiful combination of white and red oak. I knew that I wanted to keep it looking rustic, so how do you do that? When it was sanded, I didn't even sand all of the stain off. I left little areas that looked like dark marks, kind of very European, very rustic feel. And that's what I wanted. I wanted it to look like a floor that didn't even have a stain on it. It's sometimes hard to spend part of your budget on a renovation on windows, but the windows were so old and so terrible and needed so much work and all new hardware that I literally found it was just as cost effective to buy new windows than it was to try and fix the ones that were there. And of course, they're more energy efficient and it can connect you from the inside to the outside in a way you never expected. Let's talk about furnishings. When you're trying to create interest in this quiet, calm space, you want to use textures, different textiles, different pillows, different woods. I love the bed on the floor. It feels so simple to me. Using different things on each side of the bed for your nightstands, that creates interest, and it may actually complement the way you live a little bit better. The master bathroom needed not only a facelift, but a sledgehammer. The one thing this bathroom did not have was light. So important. In order to get some more light in there, I created a barn door, had it custom built, and then put acrylic panels in it so that all that beautiful light from the main part of the master bedroom flowed right into the bathroom. When you're redoing a master bath, a lot of people choose a bathtub and their shower, so you have two options. I opt for a larger shower and get rid of that bathtub. I wanted the shower to be incredibly unique, so I wanted to bring in some of the outdoor elements. I decided to do a concrete shower. The thing about the concrete shower is it can actually be skim coated over existing tile. So if you're looking for something different in your bathroom and you're hating your tile, rather than gutting it, you can actually have that concrete overlay put on it, and it looks so cool. The old floor tile was the ugliest 1977 tile you've ever seen. I found a whitewash tile that had just the right amount of grays and white to make the concrete shower and the floor flow as one. I wanted to make the master bathroom really flow with the master bedroom, so I wanted to keep the same color schemes, the same textures, and the same wood. So I had the master bathroom vanity staying the same as the sliding door. It was pretty fun to turn the most bizarre bathroom I had ever seen into something beautiful and functional. The bottom line is keep it simple. Everything in your space should be beautiful and comfortable. That's all you need.